What's up, everybody? This is Mr. Hershey with your math video for Thursday, May 7th, 2020. As always, you can reach me at jasonhershey2013 at gmail.com or whershey at stillacademyedu.org. Don't forget, every Wednesday we have a Zoom meeting. We had one this past Wednesday. We'll have one next Wednesday. 6th grades at 10, 7th grades at 10:20, 8th grades at 10:40. I will email out a meeting ID and password Monday or Tuesday, and then I'll send out a reminder on Wednesday beforehand. And don't forget that the pantry is always open Tuesday and Thursday, which is today from 10 to 12. Stop in, get some food for yourself, your family, your friends, your cousins. Get some food, okay? All right, so today we are working on rewriting expressions, okay? And again, like yesterday's work, it's going to look kind of complicated, but it's really not, okay? And remember, we're scaffolding on top of each other, so we're building off what we did yesterday, okay? So 30 over 45g plus 20 minus 8 over 9g plus 7. So we are going to simplify this, and the way you got to do that is these fractions here have to have the same denominator, okay? So 30 out of 45, this one's big. Now, if they're different, it just so happens that all these are going to be easy. So when you're on your number line, okay, you're going to, or your multiplication chart, you're going to see that 9 goes into 45 5 times. Okay. So you're going to see that. So it's not going to be that big of a deal. Okay. But if it didn't go in evenly like that, you would have to find, it might be a different number. But whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. So in this case, this is 45. So I'll show you. It'll be easier to explain. So 30 over 45. Okay. So to make 9 over 45, you got to times it by 90. 45. You got to times it by 5. Okay. So times 5, that means you got to do the top times 5, okay? So 45, so 8 times 5 is 40. Very good. Okay, so remember this is negative, okay? Plus 20 plus 7. So we've just made these the same. So now we can subtract, okay? So let's do the fraction first, okay? So 30 minus 40, we're just looking at the top, okay, is negative 10. So negative 10 over 45, because we don't do anything to that bottom, okay? Now, that is, the reason it's negative is because 30, positive 30, remember, nothing here, negative, so positive and a negative. If we're looking at our chart, right? Positive and a negative equals negative. Okay? So negative 10 over 45. Now 20 plus 7. Okay, so positive 20 minus positive 7. So positive and a negative is a negative. So 20 minus 7. So plus 13. And then that is our answer. Okay, so negative 10 over 45 plus 13. Okay, like I said, it might seem kind of hard, but it's really not, I promise. All right, let's look at number 2 here. So we have 2/3 z minus 3 minus 1/3 z plus 18. Okay, now both of these bottoms are the same, so there's nothing we have to do about it. So positive and a negative, okay, we're just subtracting. So 2 minus 1 is 1/3 z, okay. Negative 3 plus 18, negative 3 minus plus 18, so negative and a positive we know is a negative. So negative 3 minus 18, okay, minus 21. Because remember, negative numbers on the number line always go to the left. Positives always go to the right, okay? So -3, so if we have our number line, okay, and this is 0, 2, 3, we're already starting below the number line, and then we are subtracting 18. So we're always going to go to the left, okay? So this is negative, and this is positive. So that's why. So 1/3 C minus 21. Okay? It's not hard. Every one of you can do this, okay? I promise. All right, let's look at this last one here. 5/6y minus 14 minus 15/30 y minus 10. So we got to make both of these the same. So the 15/30 is going to stay. So 6 goes into 30 is what? 5, right? 5. So we got to multiply the bottom by 5, which means we got to multiply the top by 5. So that means 25/30y minus 14 minus 15/30y minus 10. Okay? 25 minus 15 is 10/30 y. -14 minus and minus, negative and a negative. Okay, you see that? -14 minus -10, so negative and a negative equals a positive. So 14 plus 10. -14 minus 10. Apologize. So negative and a negative is a positive. So simple trick that even I screw up every now and then. You got to take the first two signs positive. -14 minus -10. Okay. Comes a positive. -14 plus 10. -4. So your answer is 10/30 y minus 4. And we'll do one more, okay, just so we can see it. So 9, 18, 18, right? So 12/18c plus 18 plus 9 times 2 gives you 18. So times 2, 7 times 2, 14c plus 19. Okay. So -2. Okay, so -12 plus 14. Where did it go? Okay, so -12 plus 14. Okay, so remember, negative part, adding 14, so you got to go to the right. So it's going to be 2/18c plus 18 plus 19. Okay, that's just adding. So 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 8 is 17, 37. So 2/18c plus 37. Okay? It's not hard. Just take your time. Okay? Remember, negatives go to the left, positives go to the right. Remember your chart right here. Positive and a positive is positive. Negative and a negative is positive. Negative and a positive is negative. Positive and a negative is a negative. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, jasonhershey2013@gmail.com, whershey@steelacademyedu.org. Don't forget our pantry is open today from 10 to 12, and next Wednesday we will have a Zoom meeting, okay? All right. Take care. I'll talk to you guys soon.